Hello student, today I am going to discuss moment of a force, that is torque, angular momentum and relation between torque and angular momentum. At first, let us discuss what is moment of a force or torque. The turning effect of a force about the axis of rotation is called the moment of a force. It is measured as the product of the magnitude of the force and the perpendicular distance from the axis of rotation. It is also called torque and it is denoted by tau. It is called tau. So moment of force, whenever any body is rotating about its axis of rotation, then torque acting on the body. Basically it is rotational case or turning effect of force about axis of rotation. So torque means, what is torque? It is force into perpendicular distance. You have to keep in mind, you have to use or you have to know it. You need to learn higher classes also. So keep in mind, torque means force into perpendicular distance from the axis of rotation. So tau equal to, it is a vector quantity. So in vector form if we write r cross f, or magnitude if we write magnitude rf sin theta. If theta is 90 degree, then tau equal to r is perpendicular distance f. The dimensional formula, of torque is ml square t to the power minus 2. The SI unit of torque is Newton meter. It is just like a energy or work. It is a vector quantity. Next, angular momentum. What is angular momentum? What is the definition of angular momentum? The turning effect of momentum of a particle about the axis of rotation is called angular momentum of the particle. So previous one, moment of forces is turning effect of force, and angular momentum is turning effect of linear momentum of a particle about an axis of rotation. It is measured as the product of the linear momentum and the perpendicular distance from the axis of rotation. It is denoted by L. So angular momentum, linear momentum into perpendicular distance from the axis of rotation. It is denoted by L. L equal to linear momentum is mv, a perpendicular distance r. So in vector form, r cross p, since mv is momentum p, or we can write p is momentum, linear momentum, is linear momentum. The dimensional formula of angular momentum is m L square t to the power minus 1. The SI unit of angular momentum is kg meter square per second and gram centimeter square per second in CGS system. So now let us derive the relation between angular momentum and torque. Relation between torque and angular momentum. The angular momentum of a particle, just now you got it. You see, angular momentum of a particle is L equal to, in vector form, L equal to r cross p. So angular momentum of a particle, the angular momentum of a particle is given by L equal to r cross p. Now differentiating above equation with respect to time t, we get, so dl by dt, d of dt r cross p. Now this is product of two function, and formula is product of two function is, if u v are two function, then with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x, then keep first function, differentiate second one, plus keep second function, differentiate first one. Here same way, dl by dt, applied it, keep first function, differentiate second one, dp by dt, plus keep second function, differentiate, keep first function, differentiate second one. Now we have to differentiate first function, keeping second one. So dp by dt, according to Newton's second law, F equal to dp by dt, and dr by dt is velocity, and p equal to, momentum, p equal to mv is momentum. So dl by dt r cross this f and dr is velocity v, and p is mv. So dl by dt equal to r cross f m v cross b, v cross v. Since this is parallel vector, so cross product of parallel vector is 0. So this term becomes 0 dl by dt r cross f, this is 0, dl by dt equal to, here this is, just now we have discussed moment of force or torque is, moment of force and torque is tau equal to r cross f. So we can write r cross f, instead of r cross f we can write tau, that is torque. So here we can write r cross f, this is tau. So therefore tau equal to dl by dt. Now torque on a particle is equal to the rate of change of its angular momentum. That is, torque on a particle is equal to the time rate of change of its angular momentum. Thank you.